The Lasko remote control ceramic heater with digital display keeps you comfortable in any climate. With a multifunction remote control, digital readout, and a programmable thermostat, this heater is versatile enough for most rooms and can be easily transported with the built-in carry handle. This Lasko 1500-watt tower heater is equipped with widespread oscillation and an 8-hour timer for an easy-to-use experience every time.
Stay warm with Dr. Infrared Heater, the state-of-the-art energy-saving space zone heater that can heat a large 1,000 square foot room fast. Dr. Infrared Heater keeps you comfortable all winter long and could even help slash your heating bill in half.
Dr. Infrared Heater is the best one that I've ever had.
The heat that it emits is really just warm, just yummy kind of feeling.
Really fast, it's quiet.
The heat from Dr. Infrared Heater is wonderful. It is so gentle and it fills the space. It doesn't blast out at me like other ones that we've used. It just gently fills the space with the warmth that we want. It's really cozy.
You turn the heat on, you know that it will come on instantly. I think every home should have it. Every classroom should have it. I absolutely love it. I can't imagine life without Dr. Infrared Heater.